For the Generate Image tool, you have 4 different ways to create a design. Text to image, where you simply enter your prompt. Using a base image. The twin option, to duplicate and adapt a design using your product. And finally, using templates, with over 3,900 options available. In this text box, you enter your prompt. The Enhance Prompt icon allows you to improve it, either the text alone or by adding an inspiration image. You can save your best formulas with Save Prompt by giving it a name, so you don't have to rewrite it next time. The My Saved Prompts button lets you find these saves. You can also clear the box or paste a copied prompt. Let's look at the toolbar. The first option is crucial, selecting the language and country. Each generation uses these settings to adapt the location, character, and language of the text displayed on the design. You can pick a default language or create a custom language, like a local dialect. The same goes for the target country, with the option to add a new one to the list. For AI models, you have several choices. The stars indicate quality and speed. The cost varies, but the best value is the premium model. Choose the resolution, ranging from 0.5K for 150 credits up to 4K for 400 credits. You can adjust the ratio, for example 9:16 portrait, whose options change depending on the model. Select the file format, like JPEG or PNG, and choose the number of generated images, from 1 up to 9. Further along, you can define your graphic charter by adding your exact brand colors. Please note the text On/Off button. It is set to off by default. This means the images will not have any text. If you want the AI to include text in your design, remember to switch this option to Text On. To integrate your products, click on Import Image. You can upload a local file or use From URL. Just paste the link of a product page, like on Amazon, and start the scraping. The tool extracts all the images from the page, and all you have to do is select the ones you want to import. You also have access to My Content to reuse old generations. The Products tab lets you choose a pre-configured product. In Characters, you select your character models. And in Backgrounds, you can choose or generate a specific backdrop. Once your prompt and product are ready, you can start generating. But you can also use a template. By clicking here, you access over 3,900 templates sorted by category. In the textile category, for instance, choose a style like the invisible mannequin, then confirm. Before generating, a final auto settings bar appears at the bottom to fine-tune the details. Once you are ready, click Generate.